Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the crypto realm. All right, so we're going to talk about BlackRock here. BlackRock CEO says next generation for markets is tokenization. Yeah, I think we all pretty much knew that in the crypto space here. Takes these guys a little time. BlackRock, BlackRock, BlackRock joins a growing number of firms backing the tokenization of securities, despite the CEO's wider crypto cynicism. Get out of here. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said that the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities, will be tokenization of securities. In the world of blockchain, tokenization refers to a process where a digital representation of an asset is created on the blockchain, authenticating its transaction and ownership history. All right, so this approach enables a different way to trade assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even alternative assets like land, wine, or art, allowing the transfers to be visible on a public ledger. Speaking at a New York Times Steelbook event, Finks argued that tokenization will provide instantaneous settlement and reduced fees. Despite these advantages, he added that the development of this type of technology wouldn't disrupt BlackRock's business model. Alongside the promise of blockchain, the CEO also touched on several current economic issues, including the impact of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the changing role of China, and the global inflationary pressure that has impacted most developed economies this year. But it's definitely not just BlackRock that is betting on tokenization as the future of financial services. Flow Carbon, a startup tokenizing carbon credits, led by former WeWork founder Adam Neumann, recently attracted $70 million of investment from prominent investors such as, A16Z? Some gang apparently, and General Catalyst and Samsung Venture Investment. I'm just playing. In November, JP Morgan turned to Polygon to trade tokenized cash deposits in a Singapore-based trial via Onyx Digital Assets, a private blockchain created by the bank. Yeah, so I'm going to take a look into this Onyx Digital Assets, private blockchain created by the bank. Ooh. All right, so the bank has also promoted the benefits of tokenization in some of its white papers, saying tokenization could potentially enable financial services to be delivered in a more open manner. Despite his bullish view, then why is it a private blockchain? Despite his bullish view on the future of tokenization, the CEO said he believes that most cryptocurrency-related companies are not going to be around in the future, though he did say that blockchain technology will be very important. BlackRock hit by FTX contagion. Commenting on the FTX scandal that has defined crypto markets over the past month, he said that FTX's fatal flaw was creating its own token. One of the initial triggers of the FTX meltdown was Binance selling off its huge stock of FTX's FTT token near the beginning of this month, following reports of heavy cross-pollination between FTX and its sister hedge fund, Alameda Research. So where was BlackRock? They didn't do nothing. They didn't see it. BlackRock's like the biggest company in the world, and all their money and geniuses didn't see that coming. These people are all corrupt, everybody. Remember that. They don't care if it's corrupt, if it's illegal or what. As long as they can make money, they'll pay the fines later. There's actually, if you check out a list of banks that commit fraud, which is quite often, all the major banks that we think that we trust, all their fraud is against customers. And they've paid hundreds of millions of dollars, billions of dollars throughout the years. I'm not talking like 300 years here. I'm talking like the past 20 years, man, 30 years. They've paid like hundreds, billions of dollars for frauding their customers, all the big banks. Check it out. Fink clarified that the value of his firm's investment in the bankrupt exchange was $24 million, though it was held as a subsidiary fund of funds and not in the core part of BlackRock's business. I wish they had everything in that and lost everything. All right, so we need to be careful. BlackRock's getting involved. These people are like sickos, man. They're part of a club that we'll never be part of, and we have to remember that. These people are elitists. They want to be in their own little category, and this is the biggest of the big right here. All of a sudden, they like blockchain. Oh ho ho. Now they're using private blockchains and things like that. Get the hell out of here. These people were all against crypto, Bitcoin, but as soon as they can find a way to centralize it, look out. Here they come. All right, the crypto realm. Play hard, trade smart.